Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Twitter using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now just go ahead and open your Twitter application and log in your account. And I want you to do is search for the user that you want. So for example, I'm just gonna choose this user, and now you want to click on these three little dots at the upper right corner of their profile, and here you want to click block, and here at user will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from @user. So if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on block. And now you can see that you already blocked the user. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.